Hey everybody, welcome to Heat My Shorts. That's what this channel's called. I forgot for just like a second there. I've done it before actually too. Happy Tincture Hiccup Taco Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're all doing well today. I've got some Vermont Harvest from veteran owned 802 Heat. This is ghost pepper, apple, and pumpkin. It's delicious. I've had this a few times. I've been slowly working through it because I've actually been putting a good dent in the tincture collection. It's thinning out nicely, but there is quite a few there still. So that's why I'm still doing 2 days. I'm doing Thursdays still. Just keeping it going, I guess. It's a funny story. I brought this out. I wanted Maggie to be in the background. She wasn't really digging the under the table spot, and there's a lot of other places she could lay there, and I thought, you know what, let's give it a try. It's actually a foamy thing from a camper bed that I just put a Mexican blanket on, and I nap in the yard. I'll just haul that out into the yard and have a nap out on the lawn on that. I love doing that. I figured if I brought that out here, she'd probably be into it. And yeah, she came right over. She looks a little bit pouty, but she seems content. So anyways, veteran owned, 802 Heat, Vermont Harvest. I want to point out, they don't ask me to say that they're veteran owned. I just want to point that out. They're not like, make sure you mention that we're veteran owned. They don't like put it all over their products or anything. I know I kind of do. I put it on the thumbnails and I mention it verbally as much as I can. Not because they ask me to, but because I want to recognize that. I appreciate that. And having said that, it's a good time to mention that I didn't acknowledge Memorial Day once throughout the weekend. I forgot even about Victoria Day. I think it's a British Columbia I think it's a British Columbia only holiday, or Canadian only. I don't know for sure, but I forgot about that one. I didn't even know it was a long weekend for us last weekend. But I hope you've had a nice Memorial Day weekend if you were celebrating that. I know it's Tuesday now. Everybody that had the weekend off, I suppose, is back to work. But anyways, I just wanted to mention that because I should have mentioned it over the weekend. I haven't been mentioning that kind of stuff. I've been kind of sticking more to the review topics. Today I'm talking a lot more than usual, I suppose. Let's get to this review. That was a warranted shout out, absolutely, though. That's worth mentioning. My jaw hurts all of a sudden. I gotta complain about that for just half a second there. I just noticed it. So I'm gonna mention it. I hope your day's going well. I've been having a good day. I've been pretty busy just watching videos and chatting with a couple of really good friends and hanging out with Maggie. Talked with Mom actually too. Let's get to this. Sorry, I'm getting off topic again. Vermont Harvest. Ghost pepper, apple, and pumpkin. I seem to remember this stuff has quite a kick to it compared to some other ghost pepper products that I've had. You know, ghost pepper is hot. It's a super hot pepper. But it's not the hottest out there. There's hotter peppers for sure. But I seem to remember the stuff had quite the kick. Check out the clarity on it though. This stuff is beautiful. It's got such a nice, crisp and clear golden color to it. I really like the color. It's very beautiful tincture. All the products from 802 Heat are excellent. They don't only make super hot things. They also have a couple, one or two mild hot sauces that are delicious as well. Maybe even a few. I'm not too sure off the top of my head, but I stand by every product that 802 Heat has created or creates. So let's get to this. I'm gonna do the typical, as per usual lately, full Robbie dropper. Look at that, it's full. I'm gonna do this much. It's not that much, but that's all I need. So let's do this. Happy Tincture Hiccup Tuesday. I love you all. You're awesome. Heat my shorts. Oh, wow, that's hot. Yeah, it's really hot. It's nice, smooth, super hot, festive, slightly bitter. When I say festive, the name Vermont Harvest, the apple and the pumpkin, maybe even more so the pumpkin. Definitely the ghost pepper. It's got that pepper flavor. It's very smooth. The burn hit my tongue as soon as I dropped the tincture into my mouth. When I switched it around, it didn't really spread the burn that much around my mouth. When I swallowed, it ignited the throat burn. Made me cough, I think, didn't it? I forget already. Let me know in the comments. Did I cough? Just kidding, you don't have to let me know. Yeah, the throat burn. Intense. In and out of tense. And it's backed off quite a bit already. As soon as I swallowed, the rest of the mouth burn kind of crept in as well. Roof of the mouth is lit right up. I tend to get blisters on the roof of my mouth once in a while. Like, not bad ones, but it'll happen from tincture. I don't know if that happens to other people or not, or if I have a weird mouth. I actually do have a weird mouth. You might not know this about me, but I've had my jaw professionally broken and customized. I had a really bad underbite, and I literally bit the roof of my mouth. Let's get back to this tincture review. How about that? For a flavor rating, well, the lip burn's creeping in big time now. I would give this an 8.5 out of 10. It's delicious. It's hot. It's really hot. It's getting me sweating now. It's not like sugar candy delicious. It's quality product, super hot with, yeah, pumpkin and apple flavor in it. That kind of delicious. If that sounds delicious to you, if you like super hot things, you know what I mean. It's great. My heat, I'd say that put me up to a 4 out of 10. This one really burnt me today. This one got me good today. It's got me sweating quite a bit. Roof of my mouth and the upper lip actually is like pulsating. It's nice. The throat burn is increased as well. I got like that scratchy feeling in my throat. How nice. I enjoy that. That's a great burn. I'm probably back down to a 2 out of 10 now. But that lip burn, that mouth burn is really lingering. I would absolutely restock this stuff. There you go. I think this was like a prototype batch, and that's why I have a handwritten paper label. You really should try their stuff. I highly recommend it. Highly recommend talking to them, let them know where your tolerance is at, and I'm sure they can line you up with something in their product lineup for sure. They're in Vermont. They're down in Ludlow, Vermont. I think it's how you pronounce it, Ludlow. Very nice people. Yeah, Paula and Dave, wonderful people. Gorgeous dogs. Jake and Cap. Maggie absolutely loves their dogs, Jake and Cap. Although she has told me that she wishes that she saw them more on their videos, because they're beautiful dogs. They really are. They deserve more attention on that camera. Well, behind that camera. In front of the camera, however that works. What else? I think that's about it. She's right there. Give her a little pet. Have a little hangout with her before we go. Keep this video on the short side. This is Heat My Shorts, not Heat My Pants. Do you know that I've literally never worn pants on this channel? I do have pants. I don't wear them very often. I won't wear them all summer now for the rest of the year. But I got some sweatpants. If it's nice and cold, I'll put my pants on for sure. Maybe someday I'll show you my pants, but don't hold me to that. Maybe tomorrow. Anyways, I am going to wrap this video up, get it uploading, and do some work out in the yard. I have some a few more pepper plants to put in the ground. I actually meant to mention it yesterday when we were outside. You may have noticed that there was some pepper plants planted and some not. Actually, no, the ones in the background there were all planted. It's just the ones out back, the very back, that I need to do. I think there's 14 more. I was going to do it with my hands, but I only have 10 fingers. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for hitting that like button. And we'll see you on the next one. This has been Heat My Shorts with Maggie and Steve, the Maggie Show. Happy Tincture Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday. Happy Hiccup Tuesday. Happy whatever kind of Tuesday you're celebrating. I love you all. Bye-bye.